Hi valuable viewers, welcome to the LH Show channel. While you're here, I invite you to subscribe. Just click this button. Why? So you can be updated every time I upload a new video. What is this channel about? Basically randomness. I make funny sketches. Nobody's making apps for us, Bill. But also serious vlogs. A pessimist sees the difficulty in every opportunity. An optimist sees the opportunity in every difficulty. I recite poems. Take thy big from out my heart and take thy form from out my door. Quote the raven. Nevermore. But also sing a cappella songs. Oh, I'll have a show like Oprah. I'll be the host of Everyday Christmas. Give LH your wish list. Sometimes I also talk to objects, and they talk back to me. Yes, I'm that lonely.
I've always secretly wanted to be yogurt.
Why do you want to be yogurt?
Being cheese is boring, and everyone knows that. Yogurt just wanna have fun.
I make videos almost every week. There are a lot of things to watch. Just give me a chance to entertain you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being such amazing subscribers. You rule.